Hello, my tribe, and welcome to the Uma Show. If you want to live a conscious life, then this segment is a must watch. But before that, please subscribe to my channel because I put out everything related to living a better, happier, healthier, and positive life. Nowadays, we can see plastic everywhere around us. Our food products and hygiene products are packaged in it. Our cars, phones, and computers are manufactured from it. And you might even chew it daily in the form of chewing gum. Exactly, right? Unlike naturally derived products, synthetic plastics are not biodegradable. You must have heard that word before. This means that once plastic items are churned out into the world, they remain there unless recycled or regenerated. Moreover, improper disposal of solid plastic waste through techniques like incineration can lead to the release of dioxins. These highly toxic chemicals cause reproductive and developmental problems, damage to the immune system, and cancer. The World Health Organization has advocated for strict control over industrial and waste management processes to reduce dioxin formation. As the use of plastic has increased, so has its burden on the environment. Global plastic production has doubled every 11 years since the 1950s and is currently around 300 million tons per year. Also, in the processing of plastic, a significant amount of resources, including electricity and fossil fuels, are used. In simple words, we know how drastically plastic is impacting our environment. As impactful as it would be, it's probably unrealistic to say that everyone should get rid of all plastic items immediately and for good. The transition towards greener manufacturing materials will likely take some good time. What we can do, however, is start with some simple steps, small steps, to reduce the negative consequences that plastic has on our health and well-being. As smart consumers, we can help drive the change through well-planned baby steps. Luckily, there are simple steps we all can take that will dramatically decrease the amount of plastic waste we all generate. First up, don't use plastic water bottles. Tap water is free and you avoid buying plastic bottles which you will throw away after having finished your drink. By avoiding plastic bottles, you can save money and you can enjoy the fresh water from the tap whose quality is much better than that of water packed in a plastic. Believe me, that's true. You can also carry around your own fancy water bottle. The best options are stainless steel water bottles which contain no dangerous toxic material that is present in plastic bottles. Stainless steel water bottles are safer to use and keep your water fresh. And if you are based in a city like Dubai or other urban cities where you cannot have tap water, use filters. There's so many different kinds of filters available nowadays that you can actually fix with your tap and have that filtered water, and so cut out on using all the plastic bottles that we are using on a daily basis to have water. And this really helps us to cut out all the plastic waste that we are generating on a daily basis, and that's harming our health, well-being, and the environment around us. Second, try your own coffee or tea mug. When ordering your coffee at the takeaway, just bring your own coffee mug and say no to the paper cup and the plastic lid and the straw. In your stainless steel cup, your coffee or tea would stay warm for longer, and plus you can avoid adding more plastic to the environment. And it's so easy to carry your own mug. You get some cool ones, you can make your own, maybe paint and have your name on it or characters that you're really interested in, or maybe a very encouraging and motivating quote on your coffee mug, and take it around with you. So it's fun, it's cool, and it's good for us and our environment. Say no to plastic straws. This is a big one. Think twice before getting a plastic straw for your drink. Do you really need one, or can you easily do without it? Straws are among the top 10 marine debris items and cause a lot of pollution in the marine life. Save the marine life by using stainless steel straws. Yes, you get them and it's so easily available. You can easily say no to plastic straws. So please do it. It just takes a little bit of effort and it becomes a habit. Use a reusable shopping bag for your grocery shopping. This is a big one and I try and do it as much as possible. Ask yourself, do you really need a bag for every single thing that you buy? Probably not. Does it fit into your normal handbag? If yes, why take a plastic bag then? Or you can bring your own reusable bag, even if you don't need one. So take this first step and say no to plastic. What I try and do is I always keep these reusable fabric bags in my car. And whenever I'm going grocery shopping or anything else, I get them out of my car, shop, put everything in that, and get home. It's easy and it's really doable. Just a little bit of effort and you can do it. Try it for a month. Store your food in glass or stainless steel containers. I do that all the time. I've changed everything to stainless steel or glass a few years back. Keeping your leftovers fresh is a challenge. Whilst a plastic container comes in handy because it's light, has clips, and you can use it even in the microwave or whatever reason, you forget that it's pure toxic. Never heat up your food in a plastic box. Please, it's doing so much harm to you. Put your food on a normal plate before heating it up instead of buying plastic containers. Invest your money in glass boxes or stainless steel containers. It's safer and will prevent you from toxicity. And it's so easy. Our parents always used those stainless steel containers, and at that time we didn't like it, but I think it's time for us to go back to them because it's healthier and it's a wiser choice to make. Refresh yourself with non-plastic tasting ice cubes. We all want to cool down a bit, especially in this hot weather, and refresh our drinks with some ice cubes. But have you ever noticed that sometimes suddenly something tastes weird in your drink? Yes, that's what I'm talking about. It's the ice cube which you have pushed out just a few seconds ago from the plastic tray. To avoid those tastes in your drink, make sure you get a stainless steel ice cube tray and have a better taste of your drink. So these were some of the basic changes we can make in our lives to prevent our environment and make life better for us and our future generations. Of course, we can make way bigger changes on a daily basis, but today I just wanted to talk about some basic changes that we all can do, and it takes just a little effort to get there. And I'm sure if you're conscious about it, it'll come naturally to you. Believe me, once you understand what plastic is doing to your environment, to your health and well-being, to the health and well-being of people you love, to your children, and what kind of world are we leaving for our next generation, you will become more conscious. And these small steps will make you take the bigger steps in the future. So it's time to be more responsible, and it's time to say no to plastic. I would really be interested in knowing more from you some of the tips to avoid plastic in your daily life, some of the things that you have used in your daily life and have stayed away from plastic. I would love you to share it with me and my tribe below in the comment box. And I would really be interested in knowing if you picked up any of these tips that I spoke about today and you plan to incorporate in your life, or you've already incorporated in your life. So please share with me. Share this video with people you love and like my video. Comment on it. I love to read your comments, and subscribe to my channel. Sending you lots of love and health.